Hi, here's Jessie. Welcome to SunGlory Group. We can provide A to Z turnkey production solutions for home appliance, vacuum bottle, and cookware, especially for supporting clients from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Indonesia. We can make sure your project succeeds and once. Up to 2025, we have set up 180 A to Z production lines all over the world. 84 industry leaders trust us, including Hawkins, Storecraft, Milton, Wharton, and Raphael. We provide end-to-end service, machinery, molds, consumables, technology transfer, layout solutions, installation, and work training. We provide production solutions for home appliance, cookware, vacuum bottle, and lunchbox, and cutlery, and kitchen knife. We dedicate in automation, machine making, and technology know-how. If you want to upgrade your production line, we can provide automation and intelligent solution for you. Our engineering team are providing lifetime engineering support, 16 hours by 7 days, for more than 400 customers in 13 countries. Our overseas engineers and 10 service engineers in China headquarters are always ready to go abroad to support our clients. SunGlory Group is the #1 kitchenware and drinkware support-to-support solution maker in Asia. We have more than 90 staff in Guangzhou headquarters, including R&D team with more than 70 engineers and the service team more than 50 engineers. Our machinery factory has 200,000 square meters in total. The first factory established in 1966. The newest started in 2024. Here is our coating line workshop. Behind of me have one line almost be finished. It can apply for stainless steel and aluminum cookware. Also can be for rice cooker in a pot. It can suitable for PTFE, ceramic, and silicone paint. The capacity can make 600 pieces per hour. Contact us. Let us make your factory together.